Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you are doing well. So in this video I'm gonna share with you that how to follow business owners on Instagram. So simply I'm just gonna open my Instagram application. Okay, so then as we know that Instagram post mainly depends on hashtag. So we will simply go on search bar and then we will search on the search bar by using hashtag. For example, if I need business owner, so I will press first hashtag and then I will search business owner. Okay, and then I will search, and then you can see there is a lots of post available, and I will just simply open one hashtag, and then you can see, then you will see lots of posts will be available. So you can see one post and they are actually business owner and they have uploaded this post. And you can say recently means 6 hours ago this post has uploaded, and it's a justify business profile. So then we will can see there's a lots of followers are available. He is a business owner. If I want to follow this person, then I will press on follow, and if I want to message them, I will press on message, or just by doing their things you can do that. And if you need a follow back from this person, so then you will like and comment, and then you will also give a follow, so then this person can give you follow back. But mostly it never happens actually. They have, if this person already has a lots of followers, so that times they never provide follow back.